My video is about getting rid of fake human verification alerts by the site checktolver583.com. This site checktolver583.com is a dangerous site. Currently, it targets Google Chrome and it may affect all other browsers. It tries to make you actually click on the allow button, supposedly to help you verify that you are a human and not a robot. But to click on allow is definitely a very serious mistake, because this would hijack your browser with plenty of annoying ads. If you don't want to see these ads, you need to fix your browser urgently. So let us get it fixed by accessing the menu, then go down to Settings, select Privacy and Security, go down to Site Settings, and then in Permissions choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites, allow it to send notifications, and carefully remove all the junk sites if you find their presence on the list. So one by one, make sure you get rid of all these junk sites if you detect them here. I recommend you to additionally research the computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the application, and once it gets successfully installed, start researching the system with its help. So after you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner, the software will be initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. The full mode includes full system scan and custom scan, but as I said, in the trial version only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on the start scan button, and most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database. And by the way, this is a very essential step, so do not skip it. Do not cancel the update procedure, and then the scanning will begin. It may take some time, of course. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats that were revealed by Combo Cleaner during the scan. Some threats may be related to the browser-related issues. Some other threats may be associated with more serious threats such as ransomware, adware, or other type of viruses on the web. Of course, you can remove certain threats manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. This is the best way to keep all your files protected and to keep your entire computer free of any other possibly hidden threats.